at imtcva.org. All right, let's get to the main event. Now, I'm not an accountant, a lawyer, thank God, or financial advisor. I'm not qualified in any way to give you tax advice other than telling you things I've experienced myself over many years. And also, I've had probably, over 1,000 lawyers and accountants, either in my mentor program or in audiences, that have cleared this idea as sound. Now, you, of course, need to check with your financial advisors, and yes, I had to say that, but I think you'll see this is a relatively simple idea, at least in the USA. Now, I haven't had experience starting and running a business in other countries, so you'll have to see how this idea adapts if you don't live in the USA. But I think you'll find it's a pretty universal idea in most modern countries. Now, most people have a basic fear, okay, of the IRS. I think it starts around 2 years old. And for those of you in countries outside the USA, that's the Internal Revenue Service, or the agency tasked with collecting taxes in the USA. And most people really do have a basic fear of the IRS because of the vast power they have to really upend your life, both personally and in business. Now, I personally have had little trouble with the IRS, even though I've been formally in business for myself since 1977. And once I got big enough, I started out with a bookkeeper, and then I hired an accountant. And having an accountant helps you in a couple ways. It takes an enormous load off your back keeping up with tax laws, and it also pushes some of the liability onto the accountant or tax professional for your taxes being correct. Now, don't think you can feed the accountant or tax pro fake figures and then put the blame on them when the IRS decides to throw